In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade an image in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have your image inside your document over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on it under Layers, and you want to add on a mask layer. So you want to click this, and it should be basically under this layer, okay? So make sure it's like this, over to the right, there we go. Then you want to select your mask. You want to click on the gradient over here on the left-hand side. It's found under Vector, and it's called the Fill tool, so just click on that, make sure it's selected, and then you want to go and select where you want the fade to be. So for example, let's say I want to fade here to the right, so I can just go over here, click and drag to the right, and it's now creating a fade just like that. You can then also adjust this via this little line over here. You can put it to the left, to the right, and it's going to basically adjust the positioning of your current fade. And then you can also change the angle by going up or down over here. This is kind of going to adapt your fade over here. So that's the first way to do it, and of course that is if you are just using one image and you want to kind of fade it out. Now, of course, the color of this fade will depend on the color of your background. So for me, my background here is white, as you can see, so that's why I did that fade. You can change the color of the background if you want to via a separate fill layer over here, and you'll be able to get a different color. Now, if you want to actually fade two different images, you can also do that as well. Let me quickly show you how this is done. So I'm going to pop on a separate image. I'm just going to choose something very random over here, but you'll get the point. So let's say this is the image I want to fade in, like this part over here. Again, I can have two images, and then just select the top one under Layers and click on this mask layer. Again, you want to make sure it's the mask. There we go. Select the mask. Click on the gradient tool here again, so the fill tool, and then you can just go ahead and drag it like that, and you'll be able to fade it out. Okay, so as you can see, it's now looking faded, and I've basically faded this inside the image. I can even extend it if I wanted to, or make it a bit less like that. And there we go. Let's say this is what I wanted to achieve, and that's pretty much that. So that's how we can fade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.